Okay, so I know this has been bothering some of you, so let me show you how I mounted the radio. Because a couple people are asking, hey, did you cut something up here? What did you do? So here's the deal. You keep the factory brackets in here, the ones that come out like this. Now this radio has an L bracket, which looks like this. You're going to go ahead and not install those on the radio. You're actually going to install those to the factory brackets, just however way works for you. But the main thing is you have to account for the distance between the screen and the vent. There needs to be a gap here so you can actually screw in the holes, or screw in the radio to the L brackets. So you kind of do it in a backwards way. But once it's all done, you have a close to flush mounted radio. You could just measure out the bracket and mess with that and see what's going to work. I just kind of winged it. I looked at what would look good, and I just kind of went from there. As you can see, it is screwed in, and that's just black tape over. I haven't removed it yet. But that's just, I used black tape to hold the screw to the screwdriver, and I screwed it in, but that's all it takes. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for viewing in today. I appreciate you. So a lot has happened the last 2-3 weeks. Last week's video was something I put together in collaboration with someone, so thank you, Spencer, for that. Also, the XP community page, I don't know what happened, but just literally like a month or two ago, we were only at like 600 members. We're about to hit 1,000. So we're coming up on that pretty quick. So if you have an XP and you're not part of XP community, go ahead and find us on Facebook. Link in the description below. But yeah, huge page. In my opinion, I think we're probably one of the more popular Facebook pages for XPs. There are pages that are much bigger and obviously a little more popular. But I think as few members that we do have, even though nearly 1,000 people is a lot, there's other pages that have a couple thousand people, and there's a page specifically that has around 5,000 people, and there's never any posts on that. So it's not always about the size of your membership, but how active everyone is, and I think we're very, very active. So if you're not part of it, go ahead and check it out. Well, another thing is I have been challenged by this guy. So if I do go with bi-weekly uploads, my thought, or what I think I might do, is make Tuesdays more specific to maybe installs or unboxing kind of content, that kind of stuff. And maybe I'll make Fridays more of vlog style, but also starting the end of this year, if we hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, we're doing the giveaway still. So if you don't know, I have a couple sponsors, which I leave in the link of all my videos. But I'm going to do a collaboration with a couple of them. I'll probably make basically a big goodie bag. And we'll do a voting poll. We'll do some kind of contest. I'm still trying to work out those details. But we'll do a contest that anyone can participate in. You don't have to have a Facebook, just something on YouTube specifically. So once we get that stuff put together, we'll do a giveaway. And after that, I should have some pretty tasty content. All I'm going to say is big stuff coming. So that's really it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a huge shout out. I want to thank you all, including you, for watching today's video. Every subscription counts. Every comment helps. Every like helps. Every time you guys share my videos, it honestly makes a big deal. You guys are helping grow the channel, and it's growing faster than I ever thought I could grow. So I want to thank you guys for all your support. I'll see you guys around next week. Stay safe and have yourself a great day. See ya.